What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about how to avail BPI credit card free launch access. So paano nga ba natin ma-enjoy or paano nga ba natin ma-avail yung ino-offer ni BPI credit cards or ni BPI Bank no regarding their BPI credit card free launch access. So expect nyo guys na itong mga credit card na to is nagbibigay sila ng perks and benefits talaga, but keep it in mind na medyo mataas din yung magiging annual fee niya since ito ay nag-offer ng free launch access. Kasi kung hindi nyo alam kung magkano yung free launch access, around 1,000 plus yun. Tapos, having this BPI credit cards, free nyo lang yun ma-access. Kaya naman, expect mas mataas yung annual fee ng credit card na yun ni BPI na nag-offer ng free launch access. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung steps at saka kung ano yung mga specific conditions or terms and conditions para ma-avail nyo yun. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to avail a free launch access with a BPI credit card, you primarily need a Platinum Rewards or BPI Platinum Rewards MasterCard, which offers up to 4 complimentary passes annually via Priority Pass. So, sa Platinum BPI credit card, guys, it offers 4 complimentary passes annually via Priority Pass. So, kailangan nyo yung BPI Platinum Rewards na nag-o-offer. Kasi yung credit card na to is yung nag-o-offer ng complimentary every year, 4 na beses. Tapos, siguro naman aware kayo kung paano gamitin via Priority Pass. So, gagawa na lang ako ng panibagong vlog about Priority Pass. Then, usually require a minimum single transaction of 30,000 pesos on travel-related purchases. So, ito pa, maliban doon sa kailangan nyong mag-access via Priority Pass, kailangan nyo mag-spend ng around 30,000 pesos overseas or travel-related purchases para ito sa BPI Platinum Rewards. Tapos, alternatively, BPI Visa Signature holders can access designated lounges like PAGS, NAIA 1, and Marhaba Lounge at NAIA 3 directly. So, nakalagay dito is directly. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan yung 30,000 at saka yung Priority Pass, just present your BPI Visa Signature. So as you can see guys, BPI Visa Signature comes with high tier or kumbaga ito ay elite cards na ino-offer ni BPI credit cards. Let's talk about this furthermore later. Then, steps to avail free launch access, BPI Platinum Rewards. So ito yung mga hakbang kung paano natin ma-avail yung free launch access sa BPI credit card or using BPI credit card. Para ito sa mga BPI Platinum Rewards MasterCard credit card holders. Register to Priority Pass. So, kailangan nyo talaga guys mag-register sa Priority Pass. Register via the Priority Pass portal to get a digital membership card. So, ito yung way kung paano kayo mag-register sa Priority Pass na sinasabi ko. Register kayo via online. May Priority Pass portal para mabigyan kayo ng membership card, which is yun yung ipipresent nyo sa receptionist kapag papasok kayo sa lounge, which is a partner lounge ni BPI Platinum Rewards Credit Card. Then next guys is meet spending requirements. Charge a minimum of 30,000 pesos in a single transaction at airlines, resorts, hotels, or travel agencies to activate free access. So dito sa BPI Platinum Rewards, kailangan nyo muna, pwedeng halo-halo. Kung magkano yung na-transact ninyo sa airlines, airplane tickets, kung nag-book kayo ng hotels outside the Philippines, or kung nasa local man yan, basta travel-related siya. Or pwede rin sa travel agency. Kung tumatanggap ng card payments sa travel agency, guys, much better na yung credit card na yun yung gamitin nyo pang bayad. Para at least mag-reflect doon. Para makaipon kayo ng worth 30,000 pesos of expenses in a single transaction. So, note lang guys, a single transaction pala siya. Kasi guys, single transaction siya. So, kailangan sa airlines, 30,000 yun. Nakalagay dito is a single transaction. Dapat may mag-reflect talaga na 30,000 pesos doon sa credit card ninyo. Enjoy access. Present your digital membership card from the Priority Pass application at participating lounges. So ngayon, kailangan nyo yung membership card na yon before kayo kasi kahit nakapag single transaction na kayo amounting to 30,000 sa BPI Platinum Rewards ninyo, kung wala kayong membership card issued by Priority Pass portal, hindi nyo pa rin ma-access yun. Hahanapan kayo. Fee reversal. The $32 fee for using the launch will be automatically reversed and posted on your statement of account within 60 days if you meet the criteria. So the thing is i-charge pa rin kayo ng $32 but i-reverse naman agad yun right after ninyo ma-meet yung criteria. Then yan, let's talk about naman guys para sa mga BPI Visa Signature holders. So ito yung magandang credit card guys kasi ang ganda ng design niya. Talagang kulay black siya, parang tinuturing siya as BPI credit card or BPI black card kasi kulay itim siya tapos BPI Visa Signature yon. So ngayon, direct access sa BPI Visa Signature credit card holders. Simply present your BPI Visa Signature card, passport, and boarding pass at the accredited lounge reception. So together with your boarding pass and passport, dalhin mo yung BPI Signature card ninyo, then i-present nyo sa receptionist sa Marhaba Lounge or Mabuhay A Lounge. Then, key details is participating lounges. Over 1,300 lounges globally via Priority Pass. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, globally siya via Priority Pass. Para ito sa mga BPI Platinum Credit Card holders. Limits, up to 4 free passes per calendar year for the Platinum Rewards cards. So para sa mga Platinum Credit Card holders, using or via Priority Pass, yung sinasabi ko na kailangan nyo muna mag-sign up sa portal para mabigyan kayo ng membership card, 4 times kayo pwede makapag-access ng lounge access. Kumbaga magkakaroon kayo ng 4 na bises. The requirements is, you must be an active, good standing card holder. So, syempre, dapat walang lapses yung payments nyo doon sa credit card na yon sa BPI Platinum Rewards or di kaya sa BPI Visa Signature. Kasi kung dami yung hindi nabayaran, na mga bills, mga past due dates, tapos may mga penalties yan, hindi kayo pwedeng tanggapin. Kasi, nakalagay dito is good standing card holder. So, meaning, on time yung pagbabayad ninyo. Okay lang naman yung mga nagbi-minimum amount due. Basta wala lang talaga mga penalties at mga extra charges. It's because late kayo nagbayad. Ensure you check the specific terms and conditions for the most up-to-date lounge locations and eligibility, especially for international flights. So just make sure guys to always check sa BPI official website, sa BPI credit cards about their updated terms and conditions. Kasi from time to time, nagbabago talaga siya without prior notice. So pag sinabing prior notice, hindi kayo pinaalam. It's bank's discretion na basta lang sila mag-change ng terms and conditions. Mamaya, pumunta kayo rin, hindi na pala siya qualified. Kaya naman, it's a good way na alamin nyo muna yung updated terms and conditions para kahit papano, hindi kayo magulat pagdating nyo doon sa airport. So I think that's all for na sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!